people! Welcome back to Color Rhymes, the craziest corner of the internet where chaos meets fun. Today, you're in for a wild ride because it's Chimpanzini Bananini time. Get ready for silly moves, brain rot vibes, and non-stop laughs that will glue your eyes to the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the madness. And hey, send us your awesome creations. Our Instagram, Facebook, and email are all in the description. We can't wait to see what you've got. So grab your snacks, turn up the volume, and let's jump right into the madness, Chimpanzini style. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Oh, now it's time for the best part, coloring. Are you ready to bring our drawing to life with beautiful colors? Stay with me, because these colors are gonna make everything look super fun and amazing. Let's see what magic we can create together. Let's start coloring. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. that's it for today's wild ride, folks. I hope you had as much fun watching as we had making this crazy Chimpanzini Bananini madness. Don't forget, subscribe, drop a like, and ring that bell so you're always ready for the next chaos. Got something cool to share? Our Instagram, Facebook, and email are waiting for you in the description. Send us your creations. We love seeing them. Until next time, keep smiling, keep laughing, and keep the brain rot vibes alive. Bye-bye, bananas!